What's the meaning of cacao? Cacao. Cacao.
Cacao. Cacao. Cacao is a term used to describe the plant native to Central and South Americas, which is widely cultivated for its seeds that are used to make cocoa and chocolate products. The term cacao is often used interchangeably with cocoa, but technically refers to the raw, unprocessed seeds or beans of the plant that are used in the manufacturing process. Cacao is known for its health benefits, such as being high in antioxidants and magnesium, and has played an important role in the cultural and economic history of the regions where it is grown. Today, cacao is enjoyed worldwide and continues to be an important crop for global trade and consumption.